What is going on, everybody? My name is Super Eas Fan 24, and we are about to record the 2016 National Eas Test. We have the TV here playing Family Feud on WKYC in Cleveland. We have 96.5 Kiss FM on radio, and we have a live stream going on from Madding 1997. Got a group chat going. My mouse is spazzing out right now. It is officially, you can see that, 2 minutes, almost 1 minute. So I will be coming back to you when the test actually occurs. We are still waiting, even though it's 2:20 officially. Let's see which one will go off first. This test is not conducted on no weather radio, for those who are curious. I hope it's the TV.
Losing my parents.
Oh.
That was it. Did it for me.
Oh, here it is.
This is a national test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. Broadcast and cable operators in the area have developed this system in voluntary cooperation with FEMA,
This
the
is a
FCC,
national
and
test of
local
the emergency
authorities
alert
to
system.
keep you informed
This
in the
is
event
only
of
a test.
emergency.
Broadcast and cable operators in your area have developed this system in voluntary cooperation with FEMA, the FCC, and local authorities to keep you informed.
What? Oh, Jesus. What the hell? Dude, this is this is creepy. What the hell? What the hell just happened?
While you're here,
They not.
Set Julian free.
Susan has been on my mind recently for many reasons. I could use someone to talk to about.
What the hell?
Does not prohibit 18-year-old males from stripping. Many applauded.
Okay, well, after that weird, whatever the hell that was, there you have it. That's the test, I guess. Okay, well, there you have it, folks.